everyone. I am Gravy, and welcome to me reading another poem. I am very excited about the poem I have chosen tonight because it is from one of my favorite books, Winnie the Pooh. This poem, Winnie the Pooh makes up as he is waiting for one of his friends. The writer of Winnie the Pooh is A.A. Milne, or Milne. I don't know how to pronounce his name. I'm sorry if I messed it up. Pooh's poem is called The More It Snows. The more it snows, tiddly-pom. The more it goes, tiddly-pom. The more it grows, tiddly-pom, on snowing. And nobody knows, tiddly-pom, how cold my toes, tiddly-pom. How cold my toes, tiddly-pom, are growing. I enjoy Winnie the Pooh poems, especially this one, because it talks about how his toes are cold when it is snowing. And when it is snowing here, my toes feel very cold too. So I can relate to this poem. Cold toes are not fun. That is all for this week's poem. Tune in next week for another poem. Gravy, why haven't you turned off the camera yet? I'm just in deep thought about Winnie the Pooh. Did you know Winnie the Pooh was based on a real bear? What? It's true. Winnie the Pooh was based on a real bear. In fact, there's a book about it called Finding Winnie. It's a very lovely book. I should read it sometime, but not tonight. I'm supposed to keep this video short because if I think while filming for too long, I'll start to feel sad because the Winnie the Pooh bear lived a long time ago and is no longer alive. Oh, he was such a good